Hey guys, and welcome to this week's episode of Luxury Living NYC. And I am so excited because we are on Billionaire's Row at, I think, the first super tall in New York City. We are at 157 West 57th Street, more known as 157. So this was built by Extel in 2013. It's 94 units. And it's 90 stories tall. Really special about this building is that the bottom half is actually a Park Hyatt, and then it's a residence on the top part. It's gonna be a gorgeous unit we're getting into today, 36C. It is floor to ceiling windows. It has stunning views, some of the best in New York City. And this building, again, it's very special because it started this amazing super tall journey that 57th Street has become. And it's also how 57th Street became Billionaire Rows. It really started here with Extel. Before we go inside though, I'm gonna need you to like, subscribe, share this with a friend. Who do you know that's looking for a fabulous pied-à-terre? Somewhere that is in the middle of New York City and only a few blocks from the park. Let's go check it out. All right, well, thank you so much, Malol. I'm really excited to see this unit, and what can you tell us about it?
So this is the building that started the Billionaire's Row about 10, 12 years ago. It's still one of the most sought after buildings in the area. It have all the amenities separate from the hotel underneath us, and it's very high in demand.
Yeah, absolutely. And this is a 2-bed, 2.5 bath.
Yes, so the way it works, it's 2.5 bath. The owner bought it, as you see it, with furniture. It used to be the model apartment for the building, and that's the way they're looking to sell it.
I love it. So this is what everybody used to come and see when they were looking at sales for everything else. So this is the creme de la creme apartment, the model. I love it. And what about the area? I know we're on Billionaire's Row.
So you're right across from Carnegie Hall. You have south view. You see all the way down Broadway. You see all the way to the river, especially from the bedroom, as we'll see. If you sit on the couch here, you'll have a peek of the Central Park. And it's all the Broadway shows and close to transportation.
Mm-hmm. And you also have Maria around the corner, which I love. Some good restaurants in the area for sure. So
there's some great restaurants in Central Park South and on Broadway here.
Yeah, and something else you said that's really nice is you also have the hotel amenities.
So you have all the hotel services. If you want cleaning, there's a restaurant downstairs. If you want the food delivered into the apartment, if you have any kind of need of any kind of maintenance, they come right away and they make sure everything is tip-top shape.
Yeah, and because let's be honest, New Yorkers don't cook. So having room service in your building is wonderful.
Amazing.
Especially when you come in from traveling, you get here, your place is clean, you have food prepared for you. It's absolutely wonderful.
Yeah.
Awesome. So can I get a tour?
Sure.
Wonderful. Awesome. So we're in the kitchen. It's absolutely beautiful. And look at, I love these chairs. So they just pop out and then go back in.
Like there was net.
That's fabulous. And of course it's all top of the line appliances.
It's come fully stacked. So you have the utilities, you have all the bottles, the glass, everything is here.
Oh, that's great. So this is move-in ready.
Move-in
it's coming
ready.
Fully furnished.
Fully finished.
There you go.
Everything inside.
Wonderful.
There's a wine cooler, there's a dishwasher, double oven with a warming drawer, a refrigerator with a freezer.
And these still have gas, which is so nice because you don't get that anymore in new development. They don't allow it anymore. So this is really nice. And it's so beautiful and open, and perfect for entertaining.
And there's a pantry here.
Perfect. Lots of nice closet space.
There is 4 closets in the master bedroom.
Beautiful. And we're just under 2,000 square feet, right?
Yes, 1985. Then you have the river view from right where you sit.
River view from this room. This is so lovely, and there's so much closet space. Obviously, that's what my heart goes to.
There's a fan here if you need it.
Yeah, absolutely. And it's so nice you have the little nook over there with the seating.
Yes, and there's also 2 shades. There's a solar shade, there's a blackouts.
Always needed in New York City. Yes. Even when you sleep with an eye mask on, you still need the blackouts, right?
Yeah.
Absolutely. And I bet you just get tons of sun since we're south facing here.
You can open the window for fresh air also.
Nice. Yeah, especially for being on the 36th floor, that's really good.
So you have a marble bathroom with double sink. There is a separate shower and a jacuzzi tub and a separate toilet.
This is the marriage saver.
Yeah.
The separate toilet.
And there's radiant heat on the floor. Here if you need, there is a shelf, hanging, drawers.
And they did a good job building it out.
Yeah.
Yeah. Awesome. And it's also nice because it's split bedrooms.
It's split bedroom. The master bedroom have its own nest cooling system.
Yeah. See, again, that's what you need when you have a pied-à-terre in the city. You can have it, or even if you live here in the city, you have it the temperature you want when you get home.
That vents out.
Oh, nice.
And half a bath for guests.
And I like the floors too.
So we just redid the floors. There's the second bedroom. It could be used as an office or as a guest suite.
It's a great size for new construction.
Yes. And have its own bath, its own double closets.
Yeah, this is great.
Yeah, it's fully staffed with the towels and.
It really is ready to move in. This is perfect for anyone who doesn't want to have to lift a finger.
Yes.
And just get their spot in New York City. It's ready for you. Oh my gosh, I don't know about you, but this is absolutely one of my favorite buildings. What a treat that we got to go see that fabulous unit. Again, just about 2,000 square feet. It is 2 bed, 2.5 bath, and when you come, let's make sure to see the amenities next time because they are absolutely top of the line. This is gonna be your white glove, complete luxury building, and we would love to bring you here. So as always, we love being your realty resource of choice. So reach out to us if you're ready to see this or maybe relocate somewhere else in the city. Bye guys. My cap is, oh my God, I don't know what just happened.
We love that.
Oh my God, I think I need more water. That just started like really hurting. I'm sorry.